you've got a tuple with 3 elements. What happens if you try to grab the 10th? In Python, accessing a tuple index that doesn't exist raises an index error, specifically tuple index out of range. Unlike some languages that return null or undefined, Python fails loudly and immediately. A tuple with 3 elements only has valid indices 0, 1, and 2. Reach for index 5 and you get that exception right away. This happens because tuples are fixed-length, immutable sequences. Once created, you cannot add, remove, or change their elements, and their size never changes. Python uses zero-based indexing, so a tuple of n elements has valid positions from 0 to n-1. There is no automatic resizing or bounds extension. Step outside that range, and Python raises an error. Now here's a useful detail. Negative indices are valid. Index -1 gives you the last element, -2 the second to last. Python wraps them from the end, but they still have limits too. To access tuples safely, check the index against the tuple's length using len, or wrap your access in a try-except block to catch the indexer gracefully. Accessing a tuple index out of range raises an index error in Python. Know your bounds, validate with len, or catch the exception. Follow for more interview prep. Ready to practice for your next interview? Interview Mentor lets you answer real questions just like this one. After each answer, you get a detailed grade and personalized tips to improve. Watch your scores climb as you keep practicing.